All right, you guys. So we put this together here. Easy. It came with the tools. And then we have these corner things that came in. They go in, you see here. And then these came also. These just slide on. These slide on. And then here, you see in the middle, these bags are for the sand bags. When you fill them up with sand, you're going to put them here on the sides. This little tarp that comes in. And then this tarp clicks on the edges. This is how your stand will look after you build it and put it together. All right, let's go ahead and put our umbrella. All right, we have our umbrella. Go ahead and we're gonna unbuckle it. And then we're gonna go ahead down here. Okay, let's open up our umbrella. Go under it. We're opening up this umbrella. You gotta make sure when you open it, you have the space needed for it. All right, so you place your little stopper there, the silver little stopper. Look at this. Look at how nice and big it looks. Beautiful color. Let me get it from another angle. Look how beautiful that looks. Huge, beautiful shade for the pool time. Just have to find the perfect angle for it. And with the wind, it doesn't go because it has the sand, so hold it up. Love the way that it came with the stand. A lot of these umbrellas don't come with the stand. You have to purchase them separately. So this one has 3 middle, so it's like 3 umbrellas in one. I do own a single, and I could put this against the single one and you guys could see the difference. Okay, so this is my single one, and this is a double. The single, small, easy. Double, much larger. Single and the double. The difference is, single, you fit 2 chairs. There, I could put a whole setup, and it'll be nice.